2022 Ram 2500 in for a wrap with the new cherry red, lime red, wine red that we got there. And then look at that. Can you say that stock exhaust, man? Friends don't let friends drive stock, baby. Let's go. Here we are at Affordable Muffler. I've been using them since the 90s, man. Oh, look at this ugly ass resonator, muffler. And look at this guy. He does absolutely nothing here at the shop. What do you do, sir?
Nothing.
That's Manny, the owner of the shop. He's scared of me. Ain't that right, Manny? All right.
We're going to take that rear resonator off.
Yeah, take that off. He knows not to say nothing stupid. All right,
everybody say? What you say?
So tell me again, what?
Everybody in Houston, they come after me. I'm a shop sex symbol. You ain't got a real shop, but you got a shop sex symbol. Shout out Marcus Guccio.
They're gonna go ahead and remove the muffler and that god awful, ugly ass resonator, and we're gonna put this thing. Come on, yo. Where's the muffler at? Oh shit. Nope, that ain't it. Come on, man. Y'all gotta. I said motherfucking Flowmaster. Come on. Got him right with the Borda Sportsman right there. So now, you not put it in, man? Or you want me to put it in for you?
I know my need to know.
Ask Manny who trained him. Hey, Manny, how long you been doing this?
Since 1971.
Bro?
Yeah.
Shit. I wasn't even born yet. For a long time. Have you learned how to weld cleanly in that time period?
I learned how to weld completely different than what they weld now.
I heard that. Now we get the sound right, man. We're taking it apart to get it wrapped. And check out these lights that Ruben got. See these lights right here, man? They my whole crew likes that. Snap on. My bad, bro. I mean nothing about that. I'm just trying to show the YouTuber, man. Alright, so anyways, taking it apart to get it prepped, ready for wrap. We gotta take apart. We're taking off all the decals first of all, including the P-Wagon over here. Ta-da! P-Wagon. Who says I cannot have a candy apple wrap, baby? Here you go. Snarf. See, I'm driven to find what you will see wrong with whatever it is that we do. And what I found is this. If we put this back on the hood, tell me what's wrong with that, man. It clashes, baby. It clashes like me at the schoolyard doing work, baby. Don't go together, man. So now we're going to go ahead and take this apart, the red piece, and we're going to color match it, clear it, reinstall it, and then Adam's going to wrap 2,500 letters to match the wrap. I'm going to show you what we're about to do at the same time, and I do mean the same damn time. So you can see right here the letters we're going to do, and right here, this little plastic rivet, we're going to have to break that off, the black ones, and the red one to take the red off with the black, so I can separate the red and paint it candy, baby. Truck red wine is currently getting wrapped. Here's the black from before. The hood's getting wrapped. Check out the whole thing, man. Tomorrow we gotta start putting the door handles and mirrors back in. I'm gonna take off the right front wheel to repair the curb rash. His spike lug nuts, we're gonna decide either chrome spikes or red spikes. We don't know yet. What do y'all think? I don't know either. So look at Adam looking at me right there. All right, Adam, let's get back to work. wrap on the Dodge Ram, and it's looking mighty sexy. So on the inserts right here, remember the letters, the paint's coming in today, candy red letters. But on top of that, if you notice the handles are out because we want to do a clean wrap. But the interesting part is this. This is how the after is, because we've already taken off the rivet. See this rivet right here? Right there? So it looks like it's not supposed to be taken off, right? But we're going to go ahead and go to the hardware store, probably the nut place, to get a nut and bolt to secure it back in place. So essentially, we busted the rivet just to bust a nut. So we had to match the red to the wrap, and this red is called, it's actually named after me, Seductive Red, baby. So here's the heavy duty emblems that we have dissected, and that's the old red that it used to be, and painted Seductive Red along with the Ram logos. Man, I tell you one thing, wait till you see the finished product. Iron fallout, man, to get all the crud off of it so you can ceramic coat the wheel. So not only do we get you rolling clean by visual and mechanically, man, we maintain the cleanliness, maintain the cleanliness here at Deviate Autosport while I chill my frozen strawberries. So, to finish his whip, he came back, he needed it over the weekend, but now we're doing the finishing touches. I just wanted to go ahead and touch on something. The Ram emblem and the heavy duty emblems on the hood emblems, you got to remember, man, where there's a will, there's a way. How do you color match that to a wrap? That's like a candy color, you know what I'm saying? And it's simple. Find the way, you know what I'm talking about? So, that's one thing that made me different from the old Geraldo. Wherever there's a problem, wherever there's a complication, there's always a solution, man. It's your job to find it. So like I said, you got to go. Khalifa's about to do oil change on the ground. Kevin's doing what he does best. He's polishing all day long, baby. He gives the best polishes. But do you give good polishes?
Oh, yeah. I mean, I did it.
How good?
Pretty good. I give.
So this is my boy Nacho, man. So there's a little history between me and Nacho, even though we just met. Let me explain that to you. His family, well, his wife is a sister of my good friend that I've known forever. And he told me, man, I'm mad at them because they never told me about you. I've been looking for a shop like you. Man, even my friends try to. I'm the truth, baby. The fun part is he told his wife, Gina, who I've known for a very long time, that he was going to come in for a wheel repair. And the wheel repair, I think I charged him like $150 because like a family discount. But he left prepaying a complete exhaust system, custom, a wrap, a wheel repair, custom letters, ceramic coating, the leather guard of the interior, and polishing the wheels, man. So I told him, have Gina call me. And she says anything about you went in for wheel repair. I said, man, he left with the wheel repair for free. I threw it in with the rest of the job.